in her first match in 164 days. 7th all-time in wins in the women's division with 72 in her great career.
And her opponent from Long Island, New York, she is the reigning and defending TBS Champion, Willow Nightingale.
Willow Nightingale, who has 9 straight singles wins overall, has earned the Comeback Killer nickname with 3 straight wins over opponents coming off injuries or hiatuses, as Hikaru Shida, Queen Aminata, and Camille have all fallen to the Comeback Killer. Now we have Anna Jay, who said her first match in 164 days. Pretty tough assignment for Anna Jay.
Well, a tough assignment for Anna Jay, certainly, but one would have to think at some point Willow Nightingale, who's made no secret of the damage that she suffered to her shoulder more recently. Sometime, at some point, luck of Nightingale is going to run out. Could the luck be in the favor?